Hindi tayo magkakaganito kung pinlano nyo na po ng maaga ng PhilHealth. Wala kayong excess funds, wala kayong ganong ballooning reserve fund.
May I respond, Your Honor?
Go ahead.
Thank you very much, Your Honors, for your valuable inputs and comments. No, I'll address the query, and then CEO Attorney Eli, I think, wants to add some issues. No, first of all, we will submit to this honorable committee. We already put together, Your Honors, a benefit plan for 3 years. So, we've done some benefit enhancements this year. Pero tuloy-tuloy na po ito, no? Nakalatag na yan for the next 2 years, for the next 3 years, no? We will submit that to this committee para makita niyo po yung mga plano namin on the benefits enhancements, no? Aside from that, to answer the question of Honorable Senator Joseph Ejercito, no? Aside from that, we are also looking at aggressively expanding our accredited facilities to make it easier for the people, no? And then in line with that, we are also pushing very hard on improving our road to full digitalization. No, with that also we have a lot of updates to this honorable committee. We can also share with you. No, marami na kaming headwinds. No, we've had successful biddings and we're really moving forward on the digitalization aspect. No, that will also make it much easier and much more efficient. No. Lastly, before I pass it on to CEO Eli, regarding the Consulta program po, we strongly agree with you po that prevention, no, primary care is really more important. So, although we still have a long way to go po, the ones familiar now, ang registered number, ang latest count is a little less than 30 million po, no. Pero again, we agree that is way too short, no, way too small, and we are planning to do a lot of aggressive marketing and aggressive information.
I'm sorry to cut you, no? I'm Sir Chair, with your indulgence. Doon po sa Consulta package. And